Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Toyota Rav4 Cruiser, stock reference number 5725. The shape runs from the 10th month 2008 through to the 11th month 2012. It has a 2AZ, 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2AZ, 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left rear door has multiple dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, tidy spare wheel cover, tailgate has no damage, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, factory touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster